Everyone, this is Tim from UR6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your RAM type, the model number, and then if you need like the serial number on your laptop or a PC, it's very easy to do. So right here, I can see I got the type DDR4, size 48 gigabytes, the channel. And then for the DRAM frequency, if I double that, that will be my speed. So I'm using a software to find this information. It's just called CPU ID. So if I go to Google, type in CPU ID and then go to CPUID.com and just download this called CPU Z right here. And there's the direct link. So once I have this, I can just go on over to memory and I can see DDR4. And that's probably really important. Make sure you get the same type so it's not DDR4 and you're trying to buy DDR5. And then we got the main board right here, and this is going to be my motherboard. So you might need this information as well for whatever reason, just to make sure it's compatible, which it probably should be. But if I'm trying to find the brand and the model number, stuff like that, another area I can go to is just system information and task manager. So let's just open up system information. You might be able to find something under here. So if I go on down, I can see the installed physical memory, but I really can't see much other information under here. But you can find your main board, your motherboard information under here as well, which is useful. I got a gigabyte motherboard, and then we can go to Task Manager and open this up. And then we can see the utilization. So if we're maxing out the memory at 100%, we need to upgrade our RAM. Let's go down to Performance, choose Memory, and we can see the speed under this menu and the available. So we want to buy something similar to the same speed that we already have. Make sure it's the same type like DDR4, DDR5. And then it's going to default to the slowest speeds, whatever you have plugged in. So no point in getting something super expensive that's like 3 times the speed if it's just going to default to this current speed. So you'd probably want to just upgrade everything to that speed. Otherwise, it's going to default to this. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.